Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Geometry Dash 2.2 on PC or laptop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For the first step, open Google and simply search for Geometry Dash download on Steam. Here, it will show you the sum of websites. To download this official Geometric Dash, open this first one Geometric Dash on Steam. After opening it, you will see here Install Steam in your header. Click on that and it will start downloading. Then you have to open this Steam that you have just downloaded. It will open up like this. After creating an account on this Steam, it will show you dashboard like this. You will be on this store. You can simply search for Geometry Dash. Here it is. Open it. Scroll it down where you will see this Add to Cart. Click on this and then click on View My Card, and after continue with this payment option, you can open this library where you will find this Geometry Dash. You can also search here and simply play it. So that's basically how you can download Geometry Dash 2.2 on PC or laptop. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.